Troubleshooting a garage door opener that catches and reopens when wet. My garage door and opener work reasonably well most of the time, hot weather or cold. Sometimes when it rains, though, the door catches a little bit, at about 2 feet from the ground, and it is enough to cause the opener to stop and re-raise the door. If I stand next to the door and pull down while it is closing, it will close successfully. I can't seem to identify the source of the problem, and am asking for any general tips as to what I might look for or try in order to improve the situation. Question from user J at StackExchange.com. Answer. Most garage door openers have a feature that when they encounter too much resistance, they will reverse. This is to prevent the door from crushing something that didn't get out of the way, a car, person, or your dog. It sounds like the door isn't jamming completely, but it is just rough in one spot of the travel, which kicks the opener into reverse. Do you have the option of shutting the door manually? In my garage, there is a latch that lets me disconnect the door from the opener, which allows me to slide it up and down by hand. Try shutting the door hand and see if it feels tight at the point where the opener would reverse. If you can identify a spot where this happens, you have something off in your door track. If not, something is wrong with the garage door opener. If it is the opener, some things to look at. Some openers require periodic lubrication of the screw drive mechanism, not the door track. Find the manual for it and see if there are any recommendations for greasing it. There may also be crud in it, preventing a smooth travel. The electronics inside the opener that detect a jam may be malfunctioning. If so, good luck finding replacement parts. One other things to note. Did it suddenly get cold out? Thermal expansion properties of the door and track can trigger problems. Answer from user Myron Samak at StackExchange.com.